Good morning students, welcome back to the session. Today you are going to learn chapter 5 arithmetic progression. Children, in daily life, in nature you can see many things which follow certain pattern, such as petals of sunflower, honeycomb, grains in a maize cob. All these form certain pattern. Similarly, even in numbers also we can see some pattern of numbers. That is what we are going to learn today is arithmetic progression. It is a sequence of numbers. It is a sequence of numbers. For example, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to n. So they are in sequence. So there is certain pattern in these numbers. Similarly, roll number of students in a class 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 33. Like this. Then days in a week or months in a year. Days in a week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It follows certain pattern. Similarly, months, January, February, March up to December. So, these are all comes under sequence. There is certain pattern. Today we are going to learn arithmetic progression. What is this arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. See here, for example, if you take natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you say that these numbers are in arithmetic progression, then there should be a common number. For example, 1. If you add 1 to this first number, you will get 2. If you add 1 to 2, you will get 3. If you add 1 to 3, then you will get 4. Like this, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Preceding means previous term, except the first term. So, once again I will repeat, what is arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. It is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a certain term to the preceding term except the first term. The fixed term is called as the common difference. The fixed term is called common difference. Common difference. In short, we will write CD. The fixed term is called common difference of the AP. It can be, but this fixed term, it can be positive, negative or 0. So, not necessary it should be positive only. It may be positive, negative or 0. Let us take some examples. Here are some examples. In this first example, 8,000, 8,500, 9,000, 9,500. It is a sequence. Now, the first term of this sequence is 8,000. First term of this sequence is 8,000. Then, the second term of this sequence is 8,500. This is the first term, second term, and 9,000 third term, and 9,500 is the fourth term. Okay, now 8,000 is the first term. Now, second term is 8,500. Means, what is the number added to this preceding term? 500. So, if you add 500 to the first term, then you will get the second term. If you add 500 to the second term, you will get the third term. If you add 500 to this third term, then you will get fourth term. It means that the common difference between these terms is 500. Now, the common difference is same throughout the series. So we can say that this sequence is in arithmetic progression. There should be a common difference. It may be a positive, negative or 0. Now, this sequence is in arithmetic progression. If you take second example, 45, 43, 41, 39. It is also a sequence. Now in this sequence, you see 45 is the first term, 43 is the second term, 41 third term and 39 fourth term. Now, you see what is the difference between these two numbers? Now see here, whenever finding the difference, we have to subtract first term by second term. Like this we have to subtract. Now 43 minus 45. What is the difference? Minus 2. Difference is minus 2. It means that common difference is minus 2. The difference between these two numbers is minus 2 and the difference between these two numbers is also minus 2 and difference between these two numbers 41 and 39 is also minus 2. It means if you subtract minus 2 from each number, you will get 43, 41, 39, so on. So, this sequence is in arithmetic progression and the common difference is minus 2. Similarly here, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Now see here, find the difference between the two numbers. So for all the terms, see here, second term minus first term. So minus 2, minus into minus plus, plus 3, so which is 1. What is the common difference here? 1. So that the difference, common difference is 1 here between minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 and 0. The difference is 1. Therefore, this sequence is in arithmetic progression. Similarly here, in this example, the difference is 0. So, the difference between the two numbers is 0. So, this is also in arithmetic progression. To say that any sequence is in arithmetic progression in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. The fixed number is called as common difference. So that is called common difference of the AP. It can be positive, negative or 0. Some of the examples for arithmetic progression are here: 8,000, 8,500, 9,000, 9,500. This is an arithmetic progression where the common difference is 500. Now the question is how to find the common difference. Common difference can be calculated by subtracting first term by second term. Then subtracting second term from third term, like this. That is, now let us take A1, A2, A3, A4, An are in arithmetic progression. So where A1 is the first term, A2 is the second term, A3 third term, A4 fourth term up to n terms. That is, nth term is An. So now in this arithmetic progression, now according to the definition, there should be common difference. Then only you can say that that sequence is in arithmetic progression. If the difference between the two numbers is not same, then it is not in arithmetic progression. Okay, now A1 is the first term, A2 second term, third term, fourth term up to nth term, that is An. Now we find the difference. A2 minus A1, second term minus first term. Similarly, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term, like this up to nth term. What is the previous term of this nth term? A n minus 1. If the difference between all these terms, that is a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2, which is equal to a4 minus a3. So an minus 1 equals to d. Then the sequence is in arithmetic progression. There should be a common difference. The difference can be positive, negative or 0. Understood? Okay. Now, take first term as A. Let the first term is A. Then what will be the second term? Second term is adding common difference to the first term. So that A plus D. What is the third term? A plus 2D. What will be the fourth term? A plus 3D. So, like this. Suppose the question is asked, first term is given and the second term, first term is given and the difference is given. How will find the four terms of the AP? So, first term is given. For the second term, add difference to the first term. That is A plus D. Then how will calculate third term? A plus 2D. First term plus 2 into difference. Then how will calculate fourth term? First term plus 3 into difference. So like this you have to calculate the terms of the arithmetic progression. Okay, let us take some examples. Whether the sequence is in AP or not. If they are in AP, find the next two terms. Okay, the first one is 2, 4, 8, 16. First we have to check whether the sequence is in arithmetic progression or not. Okay, first term is 2. A1 is 2. Second term is 4. Third term is 8. Fourth term is 16. Now, what we have to do? First we have to find the difference. So that is A2 minus A1. Not A1 minus A2. Here second term minus first term. Third term minus second term. So 4 minus 2, which is 2. Right? Then A3 minus A2. So A3 is 8 minus 4. Right? A4 minus A3, 16 minus 8. No. Is there any common difference? No. So, see here, A2 minus A1 is 2. A3 minus A2 is 4. A4 minus A3 is 8. There is no common difference. No common difference. No common difference. It means the above sequence is not in arithmetic progression. So, A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2, not equal to A4 minus A3. It means that the above sequence is not in arithmetic progression, not in AP. Like this, we'll take one more example. Second example, 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, so on. Is it in AP? First term is A1 is 3 here, A2 is minus 3, A3 is 3, A4 is minus 3. Find the common difference. A2 minus A1, that is minus 3, which is minus x. Then A3 minus A2, 3 minus of minus 3, which is 3 plus 3, 6. Right? Similarly, A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 3. Then A3 is 3, which is minus 6. Now you see here minus 6. 6 minus 6. Difference is same? No. No common difference here. No common difference. No common difference. Then what will say? The above sequence is not in arithmetic progression. Here the common difference is minus 6 plus 6 minus 6 plus 6. Variation is there. There is no common difference. Therefore, difference is minus 6, 6, minus 6. So, the above sequence is not in arithmetic progression. Now, one more example we'll take. Third one. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. First term is 5. Second term is also 5. Third term is 5. Fourth term also 5. Now see the difference. A2 minus A1. 5 minus 5. 0. A3 minus A2. Which is also 0. Right? Then fourth term minus third term. 5 minus 5 which is 0. It means there is common difference 0. The difference between the two terms is 0. Therefore, the above sequence is in arithmetic progression. Above sequence is in arithmetic progression. If it is in arithmetic progression, then you have to write next two terms. The next two terms also 5, 5. The next two terms are 5, 5. I hope you understood this. Next is write first four terms of the AP. First four terms. First term is given as 5 and the difference is 5. So you need to find first four terms. What are the first four terms of the AP? A. This is the first term. Then A plus D. This is the second term. Then A plus 2D. Third term. A plus 3D. Which is the fourth term. Okay. Now first term is given as A. Then how you will calculate second term? A plus D. That is 5 plus 5. 10. Right. Then what is the second term? 5 plus 2 into 5. So 2. D is 5. So 5 plus 10, 15. Then third term. 5 plus 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15 plus 5, 20. So the first four terms are. So the first four terms are 5, 10, 15 and 20. We'll take one more example. A is 1. First term is 1. And difference is minus 2. Now we have to find first four terms of the AP. First term is 1. Second term is A plus D. That is A is 1 and D is minus 2. 1 plus of minus 2 is minus 1. This is the second term. What is the third term? A plus 2D. So 1 plus 2 into minus 2. That is 1 minus 4 which is minus 3. Then the fourth term. The fourth term is A plus 3D. So 1 plus 3 into minus 2. 1 minus 6 which is minus 5. Therefore, the first four terms of the AP 1, minus 1, minus 3 and minus 5. 1, minus 1, minus 3 and minus 5. So, first four terms are 4. First four terms are first one is 1, minus 1, minus 3 and minus 5. Now last example. Third one. First term is minus 3 and common difference is 5 by 2. How will you find this? Again, first term A. A is minus 3. Then the second term is A plus D. that is minus 3 plus 5 by 2. Take LCM 2, then 3 to the 6 plus 5, that is minus 1 by 2. This is the second term. Then third term, a plus 2d. So minus 3 plus 2 into 5 by 2. So 2 cancel here. Minus 3 plus 5, which is plus 2. Then the fourth term, a plus 3d. Minus 3 plus 2 into 3 into 5 by 2. So which is minus 3 plus 15 by 2. So minus 3 plus 15 is minus 6 plus 15 by 2. So minus 6 plus 15 is 9 by 2. So the first four terms are minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and 9 by 2. I hope you understood how to find the first term, second term, third term, fourth term like this, and also the common difference. Once again I will repeat. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers. There will be a common difference. To find the common difference, we need to subtract second term minus first term, third term minus second term, then fourth term minus third term. Like this we have to subtract. Then there should be a common difference. Then only we can say that that particular sequence is an arithmetic progression. Okay. Then the difference will be positive, negative or 0. It may be positive, negative or 0. Now using this difference and first term, we can find the first four terms. Any number of terms we can find out. In the next class, you are going to learn nth term of the arithmetic progression. Thank you.